Welcome back to Woodacres. Today we have a rain day and we had a bunch of boxes show up, so we're going to do an unboxing. Good job, Rufio. We already got about a ½ inch today, but it's still kind of just drizzling on. It's not quite over yet. And we're still getting some beautiful blooms here on the koi pond bank. And the rhododendron's coming into full bloom. Gorgeous. Good job, Rufio. The broilers are hanging out underneath the heat lamp, it looks like. A little bit damp today. And Rufio's just singing his song. Come on, Bulls. Hey, pretty birds. Yeah, keep your girl under your wing, bud. Now, we have some boxes to open up first, but I'm thinking since it's a rain day, I might be able to get a little bit crafty later. Huh, Pup, what do you think? We're gonna open up all these boxes first. And then I'm gonna have to go get Maverick and feed the baby calf. What are you doing? You gotta get up here. I'll tell you which one to start on. Up. Puppy. Welcome back to another Woodacres Homestead unboxing video. You pup. We're gonna start with the smaller ones first, and then we'll work our way up. Yeah, start with, whoa. Feel like you got a whole package in there, Pop. Start here. Is it safe? Yeah, there you go. You're ready to rip into it today. Hold on, Mus. Feels like you got it again. Easy. What's in here? Uh-oh. I don't know if this is for you, puppy. This looks a little small. Let's see here. What do you think? That's plastic. You don't need that. What do we have here? Uh-oh. Maverick got a matching coat. That looks like Maverick size, puppy. This is going to be perfect for him. It's a rain day today, so he might actually get this on later. Huh, Pup? You'll be able to match your cousin, huh? Thank you for that. I didn't see whose name it came from. Oh, we got something in here. The Maverick won't get wet in the rain. Thank you, Bernadette. Alright, Pup. What about this? Is it safe? You just go right into it, bud. You just know what to do. Good boy. Good boy. It's open. Is this for you? Oh, I think it's for me, puppy. We got some weed whacker string. This is good because we just ran out. And there is definitely a lot of weed whacking due to keep up with spring. And this one was for Mr. Hank. It just came a little bit later than some of the others, so thank you, Mr. Hank. Pup, we have some gardening to do. Not on a rain day, though. Alright, last little one. Is it safe? There you go, a little tougher. Rip it open. Oh, we got some plastic. Good boy. Oh, we needed these. Go ahead, Echopup. You got it? Good boy. These are also coming from Mr. Hank. Much appreciated. It is definitely time for a new pair of these. Oh, Pup, we might be past our last frost. We're keeping an eye on the weather right now, but it's looking pretty good so far. Alright, Pup, is it safe? Is it safe? Tear into it. What? There you go. Like a letter opener. There it is. There it is. Like a reinforced box here. Good boy. Alright, let's see here. Uh-oh, you're going into second box. There's more than one box here. You're digging in. There we go. What do we have here? We have two boxes. Two boxes in a box, Pup. Look at that. You already got into this box, puppy. You don't even know what you're biting. I need my knife. Hold on, Pup. Yeah, I need the knife. It's got a chicken on it. Oh, we got chicken heat lamps. Well, thank you. We definitely need some of these. I did just pick up a few from Tractor Supply as an emergency, and we have all of them in use again. We have one down in the hoop house for the pumpkin, one out for the bigger broilers, and one in the shed there for the little broilers. And my brother had to buy two for himself to keep the calves warm as well. But thank you, they do constantly break, and this looks like it's a pretty good one. And this one uses a different bulb. It looks like this one's even warmer. It has a 350 watt heat lamp. And we have 2 of them, so thank you for sending these in. We're definitely going to be able to use them. We have more small birds coming this year, but we also have a long winter here, and you never know what that's going to bring. So thank you, Bernadette. I really appreciate the security with the extra heat lamps. Oh, Pup, you ready for this one? Looks like this one got a little bit bent on the way over. Dig in, let's see how it looks. What do you think? Oh, what do we have here? Rip it open, Pup. Good boy, good boy. Uh-oh, there might be something in here for you. Got some bones in here, Pup. What do you think? You gonna be able to share these with Maverick? Thank you, these will help keep them busy. And we also have some medium-sized feeders and waterers here for the baby chicks. These will come in handy because those little waterers are a little bit of a pain in the butt trying to keep them full. And I've been using the bigger waterers for the small birds, but they don't always work in the smaller pens. So I end up using the bigger ones for the smaller birds, but that takes up a lot of pen space. So these ones will actually be perfect. And a very thoughtful gift. Thank you, Bernadette. Come here, Pup. We're not quite done yet. Hup up. What's in this one, puppy? This one's extra heavy. Not sure what's in it, but I think it's what squished the other box. Hump up. Go ahead, dig in. I know, it's firm. Yeah. There you go. That's it. Good boy. Ripping the edge right open. That'll do. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Losing it. Losing it. A gift for the birds from Bernadette. What do we have here, Pop? It's heavy, Pop. Coop Recuperate. We got the Coop Recuperate. This is going to help reduce moisture and lengthen bedding life. And it'll help the barn and all the coops smell nicer. Thank you for sending this in. It's definitely something we can use. Infused with eucalyptus and lemongrass essential oils. That'll smell really fresh. Oh, Pup, what is that, 20 pounds? Jeez, that should last a while. What do you think? About time to go get Maverick? Hold on, we got one more to open up here, Pup. One more from Rosemary. You want to dig in? I don't know how this one was packed, bud. You might not be able to open it from the side. Oh, you got it? What's all this, bud? We have a floating pool fountain. Would you look at that? That'll be nice. I was just thinking about putting one of these in the duck pond. Or not the duck pond, but the barnyard pond for the ducks. Just to keep water moving in there. So this might work out pretty nice. What do you think, Pup? And it looks like this one has lights on it. That'll be neat. Maybe we have to keep it closer. Put something else out there. Gonna need to plug this in and see how it looks. Thank you, Rosemary. But that's not all. There's something heavy in here. What is this? I don't know. What do we have here, Pop? Got ropes. What am I looking at here? Got ropes in here. We got grommets. Gonna have to unfold this and see what shape it is. Huh. Well, I'm curious. We're gonna have to figure out what this is. Thank you, Rosemary, for sending this in. Come on, Pop. Let's figure this out. Huh. Looks like about a 10 by 12 foot tarp. Okay, I'm sure there's a spot for it. Well, I'm not entirely sure what this is for quite yet, but it came with some tie-off rope, so maybe it's supposed to be hung up. Now, I don't have a direct plan for this, so Rosemary, you're gonna have to let me know what you were thinking, and we'll see if we can get that done. But thank you all so much for the continued support. You definitely help keep the homestead going here. Pup, what do you think? Time to get Maverick? Seems like the rain stopped, but if it picks up again later, we're gonna have to get his jacket on. Pup, you two can match. Alright guys, that's going to be all for this one. Just a short unboxing video here to get everything opened up. I might get creative here later in the gardens though, so if you want to keep following along with everything here at Woodacres, make sure to subscribe down below. Hit that like button before you leave and you can see me and Echo on the next one. Thanks for watching. Good boy.